We're going to be building a very basic CMS in this video. CMS is a content management system, and in our case we're going to be building this system to list pages on a home page like this, and we're also going to be building an admin panel where we can add a page, give all the information we need, and then we come back to the home page and we'll see them pages listed. So this system touches a few parts of PHP that are fundamental when you are learning it. So we're going to be looking at the database connection and the design of the database table. We're going to be looking at structuring our application in a very basic way, but something that will give you an idea of how you might go forward and structure a very basic application. We're going to be touching on, obviously, the functionality to insert pages to our content management system, and that's going to involve touching our database, working with queries. We're also going to look at security as well, in terms of how you insert and output things as securely as possible. We're going to touch on the concept of separating your application logic from views, which is essentially saying what actually happens in the background should be separate from what you show to your user on the screen. So we'll take a quick look around how this works, and then in the next video we'll just go ahead and get our database set up, get connected, and then into the series we'll just put all of this together. So we've already seen this home page. We've got no pages at the moment, so we're just showing an error, or a message rather. And as we saw earlier, we have this admin panel here. And this also says no pages at the moment. So let's go and add a page, and we'll give this a title. We'll say first page, or this is the first page. Now the label is what you'll see as the link text. So this is the actual title of the page, and this is just what will be displayed on the link. We have a slug which will be contained within the URL. This will just give a more friendly way of displaying the page. So we'll just say first -page. We can't have any spaces or anything in here. Well, we could do, but if you are rewriting your URLs to look pretty, that won't work. And in the body, we'll just say welcome to the first page. So we hit add, and now we get this view inside of this admin area where we see the label, the title, the slug. We have the ability to edit and delete it. But let's take a look back at our home page now, and we can see that we get first page. Now this will be the same for any other pages you add. They'll just list down here underneath each other. And let's go ahead and click on this. So here's the title that we added. Here's the body that we added. We can also see the slug just in here. So we've got a value in the query string, and we'll be learning about how we can pick these up later. And we've also got a created date here. So the 16th of May 2015. And if we go over to the admin area, we can edit this. So let's say I wanted to add an exclamation mark to the title. I can go ahead and edit that. You can see that that's updated the title here. We can also go back and refresh and see that that's updated here. And we also now have this last updated text down here. So there's a few things going on here. We can also delete, by the way, so I can hit delete, and that's going to go ahead and get rid of that. We can see that that page can't be found now, and we can go back to the start. So there is a little bit going on in the background here, but it's fairly straightforward, but does cover a lot of fundamental concepts when you are learning PHP. So in the next video, we're going to go ahead and design our database, and we're going to connect, set up our app, so we're ready to go.